Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 13th of July 2025. I'll be going over my weekly review of the front testing strategy of SPY. Now again, because of my academic commitments, I wasn't able to make videos for the past 2 or 3 weeks, so we're just gonna have to again skip a few days here. So on the 7th of July, we would have had a sell signal, which would have given us a profit of 0.427%. On the 8th, we would have had a buy signal giving us a loss of 0.164%. On the 9th, we would have had a buy signal, which would have given us another profit of 0.205%. On the 10th, another buy signal giving us a profit of 0.257%. And on the last day, on the 11th, we would have had a sell signal giving us a loss of 0.143%. Now, if we look, our cumulative portfolio return went from 1.341% to 1.923%. And our portfolio alpha for this strategy, hypothetical portfolio alpha, increased from negative 11.383 to negative 10.53%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.